You all done?
I think so, yeah.
Stalin and I decided, or Stalin, I keep saying his name wrong. We've both gotten like 2 bad grades on our mini projects now. So at this point, we're like checking every single number on each other's to make sure we have the same thing. And we didn't. So I'm glad because I had messed up.
You'd messed up?
Yeah, I had messed up and he caught it. And I'm like, oh, thank goodness. I can't handle another C or a D.
On
Um,
just on that table or what?
I had messed up in the way that I had done the differences. I'll show you here. Let me share my screen. I'm recording. I had messed up. Here it is. Okay, I had messed up down here. Can you see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay. I had messed up down here when I was doing like the total differences. I had gone up ahead and done -6 plus -34 and summed all of those together. And he had done actual minus forecast equals this. So this was the formula. His way makes more sense to me, and his numbers seemed correct. Does that make sense? How did you do those?
Let's see, let me look. I did actual minus forecast.
Okay, and that's what he did too. So
I got negative, but I don't think I got different numbers than you though.
okay,
Still.
what numbers did you get?
Let's see. I had -48, then 42, then 20, then -17.
And you
So
did the okay, well then let's go up. Let's scroll up. How did you do your difference for up here? Do you have 119 minus 112 and then 7?
yeah.
Okay. And so then did you take
I think maybe I forgot oh, I did. I forgot a whole row of I forgot a whole row. I'm looking at my forecast, what I added up, and I didn't add up ace. I just added up blazer through jackpot, but I forgot ace.
oh, thank goodness. See, we're catching each other's mistakes. We should have been more careful in the past.
Because now I have -48 there.
Oh, awesome. Good. Oh, wait, now you have -38 for January?
For -48.
Oh, I have -41.
Oh.
And I think that's what he had. And then -38 and -38. But
Oh
let's,
yeah, because I just did something else. Because I just messed up again. Hold on.
okay, well, here, let me check my work with my calculator too. Plus 122 plus. Also, when I copy and pasted my rows, I didn't do paste value, and so some of them did not come through properly. So I messed up with that too. So I had a couple things to fix.
Okay, so now I got -41, -38, -38, 4, 25, 57, 58, 82, 94, 44, -13, and -3.
Okay, that's what I have. So what did you do
Okay.
wrong? You just missed some?
Yeah, I just had totally missed ace altogether on the actual and the forecast. I just totally had missed it.
Oh, gotcha. Crap. Oh, good. Well, I'm glad that we're catching these mistakes. um, and then let's see, what else do we need to check on this page? I did this like percentage table down here, but he showed me how to do this like in the actual pie charts. You just click a percent symbol and I'm like, oh, that would have been easier. How did you do that?
I just chose the graph that has the percentages on it.
Okay, that's what he did too. I'm like, oh, you geniuses.
But I think my percentages are totally different.
Okay, he and I had the same percentages. So let's look at yours. So these numbers that I got here, 15, 19, 13, 39, 12, 41, I added
Oh,
I
is that what it
added
was asking for?
I added my actuals going all the way across, did my total, actuals going all the way across, did my total, and did it that way, and then copy and pasted them down here. And those, and then for here, I just did that divided by.
Oh, I totally did differences. I did the total differences.
Oh, well, let's look at the instructions one more time. So the pie chart, it says, create a pie graph that shows the total actual R&D expenses for the year by project.
Okay.
So I think I've done it right.
Yeah, I think you have. I think I just misread it all.
That being said, total disclaimer, I got 2 bad grades last week, so I would really hate to steer you wrong. So then here's my summary page. And all of my numbers up in here, Connor, were wrong because when I copy and pasted them, I didn't do paste values. So make sure yours are looking somewhat like this.
22nd, 33, 24, 19, 27.
Are they looking pretty similar?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, January, or the first column looked all the same, so.
Okay, so then I'm sure the rest are right. And you have your green and your red boxes?
Yep.
How did you get the zeros green?
I didn't, but I guess I probably should have, huh?
Well, I didn't either. I couldn't figure it out, so I just went in and filled them in green. But I'm like, oh, I hope I don't miss points for not like having figured that out in the conditional formatting.
I think, well, if they're supposed to be green, then I think you just do highlight the whole thing and go to conditional formatting, go highlight cell rules, and you can go like less than or equal to. Can't you do one of those?
Yeah, that's what I did. I did is less than
or equal to 0.
Yeah, is there a less than or equal to? Let's see.
Under more rules there is.
Aha, I might want to go in and fix that.
If you go highlight cell rules and go more rules, then cell value
Less
if
than
it
or
is
equal to. Okay, I'm gonna fix that then, just in case he clicks on my 0 and sees that I actually just colored it in myself. So then I have my pie chart and my total R&D expenses down here. Does yours look kind of like this?
Yep. How did you get? Okay, my graph. As hard as I tried, I could not get the January through December to move down. Like yours is below the whole plot area, and mine isn't.
Yes. How did I do that? It took some fidangling. Let me click on it and see if I can remember how I did it.
Because right now, like all the numbers like overlap those things, and it drives me crazy.
I think I did select data. No, that's not what I did. I think I did. And maybe it was format axis. Format axis. I think that's what I did, Connor. I don't know if you can see my screen. I'm trying to remember because I did try a couple different things. I think I right-clicked on it and then did format axis, and then where it says labels over here, I changed the label position to low. Try that.
Oh, labels.
I think that's what I did.
Wait. Oh, label position next to axis low. Oh, yeah, that totally, yeah.
Did that fix it? Oh, good.
Yeah, that's what it was.
I did that last night, and I'm like, oh, geez, I don't remember. Because, yeah, mine looked like a jumbled mess.
Yeah, and I was like, this is annoying. I knew there was a way to do it, but I tried and just could not figure it out.
Yeah. And then the other thing, I didn't have this labeled over here, and he told me I better label it and put that it's in thousands of dollars. And I'm like, ooh, good catch.
I love you.
So I just went in and changed that. Good night. Okay.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, that was he had good. I was like, please pay close attention. I need to get a good grade. So he told me to change that. He was like, it says to make sure everything's clearly labeled. And then I added it up here on this table too, like K and a $sign.
So, what was the actual for January for ACE? I just accidentally erased it, and I don't remember what it was.
For January, actual, let's see, let me go back over. Um, 119. Yep, 119.
Okay. Yeah, I just hit a wrong button and then it all deleted. Okay.
I need to switch my summary to before my data. Maybe color these a little prettier. Do you want me to look at yours? You want to share your screen and have me look at it, or are you still finishing stuff up?
Yeah, mine's going to need a little bit of adjusting, but yeah, let me.
Did you see anything else on mine that you think I need to tweak?
No, yours look good.
The very first item I ever got in Fortnite.
I think us checking to make sure our numbers are the same is going to help us from making stupid mistakes.
Yeah, I agree.
Because he found a mistake in mine and you just found a mistake in yours, and I'm like, oh, that would have been dumb.
Okay, so I think. Yeah, how do you share your screen on my end?
You have to go to.
Oh, there it is on the left side over there.
Yeah, the green thing.
Okay, let's share it. Can you see it?
Not yet.
Oh, there it is. Share.
Oh, there it is.
Okay, so I still need to like make this look prettier, make it more look like a chart.
Yeah, just put a border around it. It looks good.
And then I need to label this axis still, like you said.
Yeah, your percentages seem very off from what he had and what I had.
Yeah, because those are the graph is of the differences.
Oh, gotcha. So make sure you fix that before you turn that in.
So I need to add all these up and then do it from the actuals.
Yep, that'll take just 2 seconds. You're so close.
And that'll switch and that'll change everything.
And then our graphs look very similar. Add your little axis label.
Yeah, on this side.
You might want to change your font to be black. Where it's green. If you click on January, February, March, April, May, all of those, and then right click and change it to black, it might show up better.
Yeah.
That's all. Looks good to me.
Okay, yeah, I'll just do that and then.
And yeah, your zeros aren't the same color as your other green. I don't know if that's important or not. Mine weren't, but I'm going to go back and try the less than or greater to and see if that fixes it.
Yeah, I'm going to try that too and see if I can.
I don't know how picky he's going to be. You've been getting really good grades, so you're probably okay. Trust your gut.
Yeah, I would have failed this one, though, because my percentages was that's why I was like, I want to double check because I don't think that's right. It was 69% and this one was 0. I was like, I don't think that.
Yeah, that's weird, huh?
I was like, I don't think I read the instructions right. So.
Oh, that's funny. Well, it looks good. Those are the only things I see. Fix those and turn it in.
Okay, I'll fix them up.
Okay, I'll shoot you this video.
Okay, sweet. Thanks.
Okay, I'm told that the next one is super, super hard.
Great.
So,
this one was pretty easy.
Yeah, it wasn't too bad, even though we both made errors in it.
Yeah.
And then the exam is open too, so I'm like, oh geez.
Yeah, those exams are hard. They suck.
I know. Maybe we try to meet tomorrow night and get started on the next mini project together. Maybe that will help to just kind of walk it through and be like, this is what I think we should do with this, and this is what I think we should do with that.
Okay, I should be free
Maybe
tomorrow.
That would help us. Okay, I'll shoot you a text.
Okay.
Okay, good luck.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.